Basically, the reason why we are here, as Honorable Kendago has said, is to officially launch mediation. Mediation is one of the alternative modes of dispute resolution under our Constitution, particularly Article 159(2)(c), which requires, actually places an obligation on courts and tribunals to promote alternative modes of dispute resolution, including mediation. So what we have been doing as a committee is to accredit mediators. As of now, we have accredited about 900 mediators in the whole country, and we are now doing rollout in areas where we have sufficient number of mediators so that they can carry on the mediation process. Mediation as a process is very important and very beneficial to our country. And just to show you how beneficial it is, not only to the parties, but to the country, that so far we've managed to release back into the economy 14.7 billion, which otherwise would have been tied up in litigation, but is now out there for parties to make better use of. The benefits of mediation are very many. First, it takes less time to have these matters disposed of by way of mediation, because when we refer the matters to mediation, we only refer them for 60 days. After 60 days, the matter is supposed to come back to court so that we see whether there's an agreement, or if there's no agreement, for the matter to proceed to hearing. That way we are able to move the matters very fast. Secondly, it's a way by which parties are able to dispose of their matters without spending a lot of money in terms of legal representation, in terms of appearances by advocates. Although the advocates have a role to play in mediation, they are not locked out from mediation. Their role is limited to advisory and also guiding the process so that the agreements are not illegal.
Not that we have a shortage of judicial officers and judges in the country, and this has been documented, and therefore if some of the matters pending in court are released for court annexed mediation, then we will not have many of these matters clogging the system. That's very important. And for Siaya in particular, we are talking about succession matters. We are also talking about land cases, which are in our courts. In the very recent past, before the Environment and Land Court was established in Siaya, the people of Siaya used to travel all the way to Kisumu, where the Environment and Land Court judge was domiciled. At the moment, we do have our Honorable Judge who is with us, and my conversation with her is that most of those cases would have been resolved long ago if we had mediation.